5,000 years of history, a trade relationship crossing US $10 billion, and a country that sits at the gateway of the world's most sensitive oil route. Oman may not dominate headlines, but for India, it quietly holds strategic weight in the West Asian region. This relationship tells an important story. Hello and welcome to the 17th episode of the Diplomacy Talks. In this episode, we unpack the India-Oman relationship and understand why Oman remains a key partner for India in West Asia. India and Oman share ties that go back nearly 5,000 years, rooted in maritime trade and cultural exchange. Formal diplomatic relations were established in 1955, and in 2008 the relationship was elevated to a strategic partnership. Today, Oman stands as a key pillar of India's West Asia policy and an important interlocutor at forums like the GCC, Arab League and IORA. Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently concluded a successful visit to Oman in the final leg of his three-nation tour after visiting Jordan and Ethiopia. Even before this visit, India and Oman shared strong political and economic ties. As a mark of special friendship, India invited Oman as a guest country during its G20 presidency in 2023. Oman participated in over 150 G20 meetings, with 9 Omani ministers traveling to India. Economic cooperations form a strong pillar of the relationship. Bilateral trade reached $8.947 billion in financial year 23-24 and rose further to $10.613 billion in financial year 24-25. Over 6,000 India-Oman joint ventures operate in Oman, contributing nearly $7.5 billion to its economy. Oman's cumulative FDI equity inflow into India stands at $605.57 million. Prime Minister Modi's visit led to the signing of the Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement or CEPA. Under this agreement, Oman offers zero duty access to over 98% of its tariff lines. India will reduce tariffs on 78% of its tariff lines, covering nearly 95% of imports from Oman. This makes CEPA a landmark deal, Oman's first bilateral trade agreement since 2006. Oman is also a trusted defense partner. It is the first Gulf country with which all three wings of India's armed forces conduct joint military exercises. Both nations work closely to ensure maritime security in the Indian Ocean region. Oman's importance lies in its geography. The Sultanate sits at the entrance of the Strait of Hormuz, a narrow passage through which a significant portion of global oil shipments pass. For India, this makes Oman vital to energy security and regional stability. At the heart of relationship are strong people-to-people ties. Over 6.2 lakh Indians live and work in Oman, making them the largest expatriate community in the country. In recognition of the strong people-to-people ties, the late Sultan Qaboos was awarded the Gandhi Peace Prize in 2019 by India. During this visit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was also conferred with the Order of Oman First Class. In May 2024, the Indian Embassy in Oman, along with the National Archives of India, launched a unique digitization project to preserve the archival heritage of the Indian community in Oman. Over 7,000 historical records dating back to the 19th century were digitized, highlighting centuries of shared history. India and Oman have built their partnership on trust, history, and enduring people-to-people ties. The signing of CEPA adds a new dimension to an already strong relationship. As India-Oman relations continue to evolve, this partnership will remain a cornerstone of India's engagement with the West Asia. Till then, you keep following Sawal That Matters for more such insightful content, and let us know in the comments which country should we cover in the next episode next Sunday. Thank you.